All right, palm muting exercise, that is Loneliness of a Long Distance Runner by Iron Maiden. And yeah, so there's two riffs in there that for fun, if you want to practice your gallops. The first one is pretty simple. We'll give it a little bit of volume. Okay, so it's going to be open, and then there's a palm muted gallop, a triplet. Okay, one more time. So it's going to be on the 5th fret. Okay. Okay, so you're going to the 7th, and then you're going to the 8th chord right there. So. Now, you can palm mute that as a matter of taste. It's just a slight palm mute. Okay, so that might be a little bit more complicated for you, but we're just focusing on the rhythm part. Okay, so then the other chords, those are just open, so there's no palm muting involved. So okay, so let's skip over that and let's do the palm muting for the other main riff on there, and that's the going into the chorus. Okay, so we're going on the 5th fret, and I'm just downstroking it. So I've seen some other people do it with the up and down, but I'm downstroking it and I'm hitting that first chord. I'm open chord. Okay, so that's just a easy way to practice your rhythms and your palm muting. Okay, open. So I am doing an alternative picking on that riff. This is the way the song goes. But you can hear the palm muting right there. Okay, hope that was useful to you. I'll go ahead and watch the video again to see how those triplets, and it's just fun rather than just exercising your palm mute and open chords. You can play that song. If you're an Iron Maiden fan, you'll recognize it instantly. Let me know if that was useful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.